today I thought I would do my FabFitFun winter. I'm sorry if I look down occasionally. I'm kind of like watching a stream, to be honest with you guys. But I really wanted to do this because I have to leave later and I really wanted to open it. So this is the box for winter. And I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it. So it comes with this, like the little magazine with products and tips and stuff. And then in here, first thing that I have in here, I'm going to try not to break a nail opening this stuff. The first thing I have in here is this really cute hat. It is from Lemon. It's one size, and let me see. I don't know what it's made of. Let me see if it says anywhere. I don't see, but I just thought this was super cute and soft, so I got this. Or it looked super soft. I couldn't feel it, but next up I got this here. So it looks adorable and it feels really soft, and it is actually a vitamin case. So you open it up and it actually has like all of these slots where you can put your vitamins and stuff. So I've actually been wanting something to put my meds in, so I was just like, that's a good idea, and it's something that you can easily carry if you need to. So I got that. Next up in here, I'm very excited to try this. It is from P2F Movement. Created to ignite conscious change, Power to the Flower will donate a portion of all profits to organizations that empower women around the world. So I got this like silk hat thingy, and I think I'm going to try sleeping in it and see like if it makes my hair like not tangle and stuff. So I got this. Next up, I got something else from Coach. I loved all of the Coach things in here. Okay, let me see. Oh. So it's got this little Coach thing. Look after your Coach product today. So I guess this is their care services. And let me see. So in here, I got these really pretty earrings from Coach. I will see if you guys can see it. I don't know if coming closer helps, but it's these really pretty earrings I'm very excited about. I've loved all of the Coach things I've gotten, so those will be good. I also in here have this Pixie Skin Treats Retinol Tonic. It's retinol and jasmine flower smoothing toner. So I got this. It says, this multi-action toner with prime release retinol also replenishes skin with potent antioxidants. Use daily after cleansing. So I'm excited to try this out. I have a few toners I'm testing right now, so I don't know when I'll get to this one, but I am excited to try it. And then the last thing in here is the one I'm most excited about, which is why I wanted to open it. Mercy Fabric Shaver. So it looks like it says it includes the fabric shaver, a cleaning brush, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual. I really want to see if it's got any charge because I really want to test it. So let me see if I can get it open here. I don't want to like break it out. Okay, there we go. I have on like stick-on nails and they're so hard to work with for me. So it comes with this, and then here's the little product. Let's see if it has any charge. It does. I'm gonna go find something that I can test this on and see if it works. Alright, so this has a little bit of it. It's not like the most, but I think it's enough to test it. So I'll test it on like this section. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's supposed to get these off, so we're gonna see. Oh my god. It works, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I just got like all of the ones off. Let me show you guys this. So I don't know if you guys can see all of those, but it just removed all of that. I am so excited. I'm going to be using this so much. I will review this for you guys, but I don't know how much more I'm going to learn about it. I'll let you know if I think of anything else, but it is amazing and I am in love. And yeah, I can't believe it actually got that off. And like, it isn't like hurting the fabric or anything. Like, that's amazing. I really want to try it on something with more. But I'll test it on something with more and then like take a picture for you guys, okay? So, I know it was like a really quick thing, but I really wanted to just go ahead and do this real quick, mostly because I wanted to get this out. But I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry that it was so quick, but I didn't have a lot of time today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!